Department of Health, Sama, later Juanes and possibly in Cebuya. And with our Robin Heights, we're on speed! Robin Heights and known as how yes will in this. One of the 440 species of birds of prey around the world. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along China, including here in the Philippines. And here comes Shadow. They are locally known as Lawi or Balo in Visayas region. And now let us all welcome our chickens. Wow, look at that. And as you can see, we have our homemade pigeons. Homemade pigeons facilitate homemade meaning they will generate to its nest and meat. Our runoffs are rockers, our chickens, and our homemade pigeons. Here at Manila Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. We only try to take care of our friends to the sea, but we're also empowering them in their as well. Now guys, who knows that we are? For you, man.
Nagulat ka, Robby.
Very good.
Wow!
And they will come to show us.
Ay, bye! Ay, napunta na sila lahat doon. Ay, dami, Robby!
See, there were a lot of birds in England. Really, that's something everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, we all hope you enjoy our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how small the efforts, let's take action in saving them from exploitation or extinction. Please, let's all do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only hope we've got. Now let me present to you the birds and the cheers who made this show possible. Peter JB with Shadow. Peter Rina with Hope. Peter Albert with Buddy. Peter Gabriel with Speed. Peter Derek with Chance. Peter Mark with Rocky. And once again, I'm Peter Heine. Thank you and goodbye. By the way, guys, please
Goodbye daw.
take your seat because we still have a
Happy?
show. Thank you.
Thank you. Say thank you. Bye!